4 signs of a bad camshaft sensor.
Number 1. Stalling. When the camshaft sensor is failing, driver will notice intermittent stalling while driving and at idle. Here is the reason why. The camshaft position is part of the timing system. Its purpose is to monitor the camshaft rotational speed and send signal to the computer of the camshaft position. Once the piston is near top dead center during compression stroke, the computer receives signal from the camshaft sensor and various inputs signal to control fuel and ignition timing. When the camshaft position sensor is failing, it will send erratic or weak signal. As a result, when the piston is near top dead center during compression stroke, fuel may not be sprayed. If signal is erratic, this will cause stalling due to lack of fuel. The second common issue is hard start or no spark. Again, a failing camshaft sensor will send out erratic signal. Driver may have to crank the engine a few times to get the engine going. Sometimes tapping the camshaft sensor with a screwdriver handle may cause the connection inside the camshaft sensor to somewhat cause a temporary connection. Although this is a temporary solution, replace the camshaft sensor. The third common issue is rough idle. Again, erratic signal can interfere with fuel and ignition timing. As a result, driver may notice the engine running rough during idle. Use a scan tool and check for camshaft codes. If there are codes, check the camshaft sensor connection and check for damaged wire. Sometimes the camshaft sensor can become oil-soaked case by a leaky valve cover gasket. In this case, replace the valve cover gasket and replace the sensor. If possible, cleaning the camshaft sensor may also help. The fourth common issue is no spark. If you notice no spark, no start, and no fuel injection pulse, there is a good chance either the camshaft sensor or crankshaft sensor is faulty. There are a lot of reasons for a camshaft sensor to fail, such as worn timing belt, bad timing tensioner, engine oil on camshaft sensor, damaged or fried wires caused by engine heat, wires becoming damaged caused by rats, or simply the camshaft sensor is just worn out due to high mileage. Whatever the case is, a camshaft sensor can be dangerous if not replaced, since it can cause the engine to shut off while driving. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give a like and turn on the notification.